From a $500 project to a $2,000 almost runner, these classics are begging for a second chance. Dive into this list of 11 cars that could be your next dream project or a total headache. Ready to explore? Let's roll. 1976 Chevrolet El Camino, $2,000. This El Camino could be your ticket to reliving the 70s in style if you don't mind a few quirks. The owner got it running after years of sitting idle, and it even drives well, except for the reverse gear, which decided to take an extended vacation. The rear glass is busted, and the seat, let's just say the blanket is working overtime. But hey, with a strong motor and clean title, this could be the project you've been waiting for. 1975 Chevrolet Camaro Coupe. Here's a Camaro with history, 10 years of it sitting in one spot. The seller claims it cranked once, but needs gas, though with no title, it might need more than that to hit the road. It's a gamble, but imagine cruising this classic once it's restored. Three, 1975 Plymouth Valiant, $1,250. This one-owner Valiant hasn't hit the road since the early 90s, but it's yard driving now after some work. To become roadworthy, it needs tires, a tune-up, and some TLC. Bring cash, a trailer, and a dream, because this four-door classic is ready for its comeback. For 1972 Ford F250 Camper Special, won $1,700. This long bed F250 is a solid workhorse with a strong motor and a manual transmission. It even comes with a replacement passenger door and tailgate. Rust? Sure, it's there, but that's just patina, right? For $1,700, this truck could haul memories as well as cargo. 1973 Dodge Club Cab, $1,000. It's a two-wheel drive club cab with new tires, a new carburetor, and a new battery. It starts, but doesn't stay running, perfect for someone who loves a challenge. With a little work, this orange beauty might be ready to roll again. Six, 1970 Pontiac LeMans motor and transmission, $500. No car here, just a motor and transmission from a 1970 Pontiac LeMans. The engine is stuck after years in storage, but it's not blown, so the seller claims. If you're restoring a LeMans or want a classic drivetrain, this might be your jackpot. 1975 MG Midget, $1,000. This little midget runs and has a newer top and good interior, making it a solid winter project. The catch? No title. If you're up for the challenge, this British classic could be your next big, or rather small, adventure. Eight, 1973 Volkswagen Beetle, $2,000. The iconic Bug is here. It runs and drives, but needs a battery and some welding work on the floorboard. The replacement panel is included. With a bit of elbow grease, you could have a Beetle ready to charm onlookers at your local car meet. Nine, 1974 Opel Manta. For $800, you get a clean-titled Opel Manta with a locked-up engine. It's been sitting since the 80s after a blown head gasket and needs a full restoration. A rare gem for enthusiasts if you can bring it back to life. 1969 Chrysler 300, $1,000. This Chrysler 300 is technically a parts car. The motor, transmission, and rear end are being removed. But with good glass and collectible parts, it's a treasure trove for Chrysler fans. The seller is open to offers, so start negotiating. The 1965 Ford F250 long bed, $500. This early 60s F250 is a non-runner, perfect for parts or a full restoration. You'll need a trailer and a wrench to move it, but for $500, it's hard to beat as a starting point for a vintage truck project. So, which one caught your eye? From the project-ready Beetle to the nearly forgotten Opel Manta, these classics are waiting for someone to bring them back to life. Let us know in the comments which one you'd take on.